Hey, I'm Antoine. Today I want to show you how to add business attributes to your Google Business profile. It's pretty simple. All you gotta do is click Edit Profile and then scroll all the way down. And it says More from the business. Okay. And these are where all your attributes are gonna live. Now, before I show you all this, I just want to make a disclaimer here that once you check an attribute, you cannot uncheck it yourself. I'm serious. There's no undo button. If you need to remove an attribute, you're going to have to reach out to Google support and request for removal, which can take days or weeks. So just be absolutely certain before you're clicking any attribute. Okay. So let me just show you. This one is identifies as black owned. Click no. So you can't really, I don't want to check it at all. You got to click yes or no once you start clicking on them. So just be careful. So here's some of the attributes. As you can see, you can identify this. Accessibility. You can see if you have wheelchair accessible, stuff like that. Offer assisted listening devices. Amenities. If you have gender neutral restrooms or hazard restroom. The crowd. If you're LGBTQ friendly or transgender safe place. That's parking. If you have free parking or not. Planning. If you need an appointment required, yes or no, you can always do that. And services, and then if you have offer online appointments, languages, stuff like that. All the attributes. So any more information, just please reach out. Antoine Cameron at Learn Local SEO. You guys have a great day. Bye.